Okay na? And there is no dot class file in current Java file of test. Current Java file of test, where is that? In current Java file of test, class P is not available. In the current folder, p.java p.class is not available, p.java file is not available. Go to command prompt. Now let me try to compile clear screen java c test.java. Java c test.java. Look at that. Compiler throwing error, cannot find symbol. Variable p throwing, p is considered as a variable throwing error. Can I hope you got clarity on this algorithm? How compiler identifying? Now my question, Babuji, my question. If you save, now inside pa.java file, name of the class is class P only, na? Name of the class is class P only, correct? But compiler found or not found? Not found. Why? Because the name is different. Tell me now. If you maintain Java file name and class name same, what is the advantage? If you maintain Java file name and class name same, what is the advantage? You will get auto compilation. Java C test.java. Look at there. Auto compilation. We no need to compile the Java file before compiling other Java file. Automatically classes will be found. Will let you auto compilation. Can I hope all people got clarity? So what is auto compilation? Compiling one Java file from another Java file compilation is called auto compilation. When you will achieve auto compilation? Only if Java file name and class name is same. Okay, that's all about this topic. Try to answer all these entry questions. Auto compilation and auto loading class, AC and AL. Auto compilation and auto loading. Before launching these words, you should have some idea. Question number 1. Tell me, can we access one Java file class method, one Java file class method from other Java file class method? If yes, yes. If yes, what is the syntax? Same, just class name dot method. Class name dot method. Either you create in a single Java file or you create in multiple Java file. What is the syntax? Class name dot method. Then next, how compiler and JVM can find one Java file class from another Java file class? By using class name. Okay, compiler and JVM software will search for .java file or .class file by using class name. With the class name, if you have what you call a .java file or a .class file, then they can find, compile and execute. Okay, the next, if Java file name and class name are different, can compiler find the class available in another Java file? No, cannot find. Okay, the next, assume we are accessing a.m1 method. Compiler found a.java file, but inside this Java file, class name is B. What will happen now? Is that program compiled? Java file name is a.java, but inside a.java, the available class name is not A, available class is B. Then is that a.java file compiled or not compiled? Not compiled. Okay, compiler software will throw error. Let me show you the test case. So I told you, now for example, p.java file, right click, open with notepad, and here I am changing class name as a PA. Okay, compiler searching for not just Java file. Inside that Java file, class name also should be the same as a class name. Am I right? Then go here. Now look at there. Java C test.java. Array, first I should remove this dot class files. Otherwise, it will take the class from this p dot class. First priority to p dot class na. Now Java C test.java when I compile, compiler software getting too much angry. You dirty fellow cheated me. Bad source file p.java. Here you have maintained the Java file with the name p, but it is a bad source file. Tumri fellow cannot access p. Bad source file p.java. Look at there, from this error we have confirmed compiler software searching for a Java file with the given class name p.java file found. File doesn't contain class called p. Please remove or make sure it is available in the correct subdirectory of the source file. Source directory, whatever. Okay, did you understand my point? Right? So these are all the test cases you need to practice for passing interview. Next, now what is auto compilation? Compiling one Java file from another Java file is called what? Auto compilation. Okay, next, what must we do to achieve auto compilation? Java file name and class name must maintain with the same name, even though it is not public. And next, in auto compilation, inside Java file, if more classes are found, are those classes are compiled? Come on. Try to answer. Now in auto compilation, a Java file contain multiple classes. You save the Java file with the name p.java. You save the Java file name with p.java. Inside this p.java file, you created a class P. In addition to class P, you have created some more classes. Let's say X class, let's say Y class, like this multiple classes are there. Then in auto compilation, which Java file you are compiling? Test.java file. In test.java file, you have used only P, right? Then now go to command prompt, clear screen. Now Java C test.java. Now test.java. When I press enter, what happened? Only P class compile and compiler come out, or XYZ classes also compiled. XYZ classes also will compile. Complete source file compile, I told you na. Searching for p.java found. In p.java, it is searching for class P. Yes, available. Along with the class P, remaining classes also compiled. Did you observe? Remaining classes X and Y, you have not compiled. You are not accessed. XY, you have not accessed. Okay, XY you have not access, but still they are compiled. Why? Because they are the members of the current Java file. Compiler software not compiling just class. Compiler software compiling Java file. Then first line to last line, everything is compiled. Did you understand the point? Next, when we compile one Java file, are all other Java files available in this folder also compiled? No. Okay, like how this test case, in an auto compilation inside this Java file, if we have more classes, okay, are those classes compiled even though we didn't access? Yes. But like that, all Java files available in the current directory compiled? No. Is it clear my point? Classes are compiled, but Java files are not compiled. The next question. As per project, is it recommended to save Java file with any name? No. Why? We cannot get auto compilation. Last but not least question. What is always recommended? What is always recommended? Why it is always recommended to save Java file and a class name with the same, even though the class is not public, for achieving auto compilation, for making easy. Then last question, what is the compiler algorithm for finding classes? Already shown you. First, it is searching for the class in a current Java file with the name class P, not found. Compiler searching for p.class file, if not found. Searching for p.java file, if not found. Then finally, fourth step, if a p.java file also not found, compiler will throw an error, cannot find symbol class P. समझ में आया? Did you enjoy this topic? This is a project scenario, na? Is it a project scenario, right? So these are all points you must practice. If you don't practice, definitely you'll face problem in company. So now today onwards, tell me, whenever I say class, what thoughts should come to your mind? First, class, class definition. Next, next, dot class file, and then dot Java file. All three must come into your mind. Tell me, compiler and JVM reading a class byte code from current Java file, from from different dot class file from hard disk, from different dot class file from hard disk. Many people are having more topics are there, more compiler algorithm, more depth is there. At this minute you cannot understand. In packages chapter I'll explain, including class path, including import, torture is there. Okay, understand my point? So in coming packages chapter we are going for more depth. Torture, there you will see torture, rakta kannir you will get. Too much torture, too much depth. So this is the basic idea about auto compilation. Now I have finished how many topics? Daily one topic we are completing. Are you all happy? Daily one topic we are completing. All are you comfortable? So each day minimum 35 to 40 questions we are dealing. How many questions completed by today? Any of you counted? How many completed by today? First compiler and JVM entry questions 50, 50 na? 51. Then source file level 44, 95, 95, 95. The next 51 source file, sorry, compiler JVM entry questions 51, source file level entry questions 44, 95, class level entry questions 48, 95, 143, 143, and the next auto compilation, auto loading 11, 154 questions. Okay. Okay, now after this auto compilation, auto loading topic completed, then we need to go for Java 11 new feature. Yeah. Okay. Java 11 new feature. Run a source file directly. First you must compile and then you have to execute. Okay. Now I'm taking notepad. I'm taking this file name as test underscore Java 11. Test underscore Java 11 dot Java. I'm creating class test 11, test Java 11, open bracket, closed bracket, public static, void main of string array args. Okay. Inside main method, I'm writing a statement system.out.println double quotes a main. I mean, let's say test main or whatever. Okay. Test main, save it. Okay. Then go to command prompt, open command prompt, clear screen. Now the existing no dot class files. Okay. Look at there. There is a horrible story. Java, no compilation, without compilation. Java test, where it is saved here. Java test underscore Java 11 dot Java compile. Look at that. Compile successfully, executed, and we got output test main. Hello. Did you understand? From Java 11 version onwards, we no need to compile. Directly we will execute. If you execute directly, then what happened, tell me? We got output. Now background dot class file created. Come on. Background dot class file, is it created or not created? Who creates dot class file? Compiler. Did I use compiler here? No. I use Java command. Java command means what? It is JVM. What JVM will do? JVM just run the program. Doesn't generate any bytecode. Doesn't generate any dot class file. Look at their background. Do you have any dot class file created? Run this program again. Java test underscore Java 11 dot Java. Do you have any dot class file generated? No. Okay. Now I want some doubts to generate from you. This feature for whom? For projects development. Why this feature? Up to Java 10 we didn't require. From Java 11 onwards, why do we need this feature? For whom this feature is given? For projects development, for beginners, for easy understanding purpose. How JVM can understand source code? JVM understand only dot class file. Bytecode only it can understand. How source code can be understand? what is done background, the entire story, we need to dig lot. It takes almost 40-45 minutes time it will take. Okay, right. Today I'm stopping session here. We'll continue this topic in tomorrow class. Okay, so tomorrow